guys! Welcome to our channel! My name is Sarah!
And I'm Josh.
Josh and Sarah!
And today we have
Mommy!
Hi there.
we have Mommy with us today. And today we're going to be playing with this new Hasbro gaming from McDonald's. The Hungry Hippos one. So,
Ladies, what do
okay.
you think about this?
I think it's
Nice.
good.
Okay, suppose.
And they can. Okay.
Wait. So
Love
first
me.
flip it over, then put it down.
How about first we challenge? And then Mommy next.
Okay. Here's the Hungry Hippos game. The front has a face on it. The back, which has two hippos, orange and green. And you can also see that there are 9 little balls inside of this dome. So the game is to use these levers to make the hippo's mouth open, and you try and eat as many as you can. So
Let's
me and Tara are
play.
gonna play.
Come on, Sarah. Done?
Huh?
Are you done?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, who won? Count it. Who won?
Sarah has
Kuya won. The green hippo won. One more.
Okay,
and
one
then
more.
it's Mommy's turn.
Huh?
And then it's Mommy's turn.
Go on, Tara.
Okay.
So who won? I think
1, 2, 3,
Sarah won.
5.
Yay!
Oh, one more.
It's a tie.
One more.
It's a tie.
Okay, one more.
Oh, one.
That is 4.
And Kuya is 5.
Mhm.
Oh,
So
so
your
Kuya
prize
won.
is
It means
4.
Kuya is the winner.
I think this game is good.
We think that it's a really good pocket game, especially for travel because you can fit it in your pocket. And this is the 2021 version, and we also have one from
This
2019.
2019 McDonald's toy.
Like we
It's
got.
a Hungry Hippo. It's a little big. It's a little bit bigger than the 2001 toy, and it's just the same thing with the pressing.
I just want to say, McDonald's, these both are really good toys, even if it's new or old. So,
Good
good job. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button down below. And enjoy our videos.
Thank you for
watching. Bye.
Bye.